Ever wondered how the scalping trading strategy works? Well, wonder no more. Today we'll unravel the mystery behind this popular trading approach, shedding light on its intricacies and nuances. Scalping, in the world of trading, is a strategy that involves buying a large number of shares and selling them for a profit on very small price movements. It's a fast-paced game, often played by the most daring of traders. Imagine being in a bustling marketplace, where you're buying items in bulk, then selling each piece individually for a small profit. That's essentially what scalping trading strategy is. Step 1 in the scalping trading strategy is finding a suitable market. This strategy works best in a market with high liquidity. This means a market where there are lots of buyers and sellers, and where the price of the shares can change rapidly. Step 2 involves making the actual trade. A trader using the scalping strategy will buy a large number of shares, usually in a company with a high trading volume. The goal here is to sell these shares for a profit, even if the profit is small. Step 3 is where the real action happens. The trader will watch the market closely, looking for any small increase in the price of the shares they've bought. Once the price has increased, even slightly, the trader will sell their shares. The profit might be small on each share, but because they've bought so many, the overall profit can be substantial. Step 4 is all about repetition. Scalping is not a one-and-done strategy. It's about making many trades throughout the day. Every small profit adds up, and by the end of the day, a successful scalper can make a substantial gain. But remember, while the scalping trading strategy can be profitable, it's also risky. It requires a deep understanding of the market, a keen eye for detail, and the ability to make quick decisions. It's not for the faint-hearted, but for those who master it, the rewards can be significant. To summarize, the scalping trading strategy is a high-volume trading method where a trader aims to profit from small price fluctuations. The strategy involves 4 key steps: choosing a high liquidity market, making the trade, monitoring for small price increases, and repeating the process throughout the day. It's a strategy that demands skill, patience, and a dash of daring. But for those who can master it, the scalping trading strategy can turn the bustling marketplace of the stock exchange into a profitable venture. So next time you see small price movements in the market, remember there might just be a scalper making their move. And that's a wrap, folks. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support fuels our motivation to bring more such content. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. We have a lot more exciting and insightful content lined up for you. For more detailed strategies and trading tips, do check out the link provided in the description below. Let's continue learning and growing together in this amazing world of trading. Until next time, happy trading.